So as I was saying before I scared the fawn off, this is June 1st, and we've got baby fawns hitting the ground. They're just a few days old at this point. And that means it's a great time for all ruminants to be born. And so my neighbors are about 6 months out of the cycle. His calves were born back in December. It was a hard time of year, very expensive. This is a great time of year because mom has already gained some weight from all the spring growth. And so when she has these calves or fawns or whatever it is, these babies, that she'll have enough weight to provide the milk and then still be able to rebreed when it's time. And so if you want to be a low-cost producer and actually make money, you have to work with nature. But I just really enjoyed that fawn, getting up close to it and seeing them nurse and seeing mama take care of them, and I wanted to share that with you.